What if I told you that AI isn't replacing people? It's helping ordinary people build new income streams faster than ever. Today, I'm going to show you 3 AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start with the right workflow, and the third one might surprise you. Stay until the end, because I'll also share a free resource to help you get started. I'm Byte from AI Insider Byte, where we share practical AI strategies to help you learn, build, and grow. Short-form video is one of the fastest-growing content formats online, but here's the opportunity. Many creators already have hours of podcasts, interviews, and webinars. They just don't have time to turn them into engaging shorts. Here's a simple workflow. Step 1. Find valuable long-form videos with useful insights. Step 2. Use AI to identify attention-grabbing moments that make great short clips. Step 3. Polish ad captions, visual effects, and clean editing to improve viewer retention. Step 4. Offer this as a monthly service to creators or businesses who need consistent content. You're not just editing videos, you're helping clients save time and reach more people. Thousands of job seekers submit resumes every day, but many never make it past automated screening systems. That's where AI can help. Instead of only fixing grammar, compare a client's resume with the job description and identify missing keywords, skills, and important phrases. Then optimize the resume while keeping it truthful and relevant. This simple service can help candidates present their experience more effectively and improve their chances of getting noticed. Many entrepreneurs and executives have valuable knowledge but don't have time to post regularly online. You can build a complete personal branding workflow using AI. Generate content ideas, draft professional posts, create eye-catching visuals, and maintain a consistent publishing schedule. When someone appears knowledgeable and consistent, they often build stronger credibility and attract more opportunities. The biggest advantage in 2026 isn't using AI once. It's building repeatable systems that save time and create value. Whether you're editing videos, improving resumes, or helping professionals grow their online presence, AI can become a powerful assistant in your workflow. If you found today's Byte useful, subscribe for more practical AI strategies every week.